How to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First thing, you should try restarting your Wi-Fi connection. Open up your settings. Inside here, simply tap on Wi-Fi. Then turn this button on. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back again. Now try reconnecting to your network again. If that does not work, you can move on to the next step. Now, if you're using a VPN, it might be blocking your Wi-Fi connection. So inside settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on VPN and Device Management, and make sure no VPN is connected. You can also disable VPNs directly from VPN app you have installed. After that, try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Now after that, open up your control center and then turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Now restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Wait for the power screen to appear and then drag the slider to turn your iPhone off. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds, then power on your iPhone again. Once the iPhone turns back on, open up your settings. Inside settings, simply tap on Privacy and Security right over here. Now tap on Location Services. Scroll below, then tap on System Services. Now simply turn on Network and Wireless toggle on. If the Wi-Fi still isn't working, inside settings, simply tap on Screen Time. Scroll below, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure this toggle is turned off, as some restriction can interfere with Wi-Fi connection. Now, if none of these fixes work, tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. This will erase your saved Wi-Fi network and password but will not delete your data. After the reset, you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi network again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.